Every training organisation will have its own set of requirements for developing a TAS. Let's run through a few of these along with examples for each. This will assist you in answering question 3 of your assessment, so feel free to review this tutorial at any time to clarify all the details we discuss here. Organisations may require regular consultation with industry bodies or employers to ensure that training aligns with current industry standards and needs. For example, an organisation may require a biannual meeting with a panel of industry experts to review and update training content to their specific employee base. This is not laid out in any legislation or regulations, but rather it exists as an organisational requirement given the sector and the clients that it operates within. In any training organisation, there'll be some form of mandate for risk assessments and implementing strategies for inclusivity, accommodating diverse learner needs and their backgrounds. For example, they may implement a policy where every training room must be accessible to learners with disabilities and equipped with emergency protocols. If you do a quick Google search, you'll find numerous examples of standardised templates for training and assessment strategies that are used to maintain consistency and quality across the various courses that an organisation might offer. These have often been reviewed in audits and have therefore been accepted as a compliant standard for TAS documents. There may be a requirement for collaboration with internal and external stakeholders, including ways of gathering their feedback, that may be used for evaluating and improving training strategies. For example, organising quarterly feedback sessions with student representatives and trainers to gather input on the effectiveness of a particular training strategy. Strict protocols for document management, including version control, are used to ensure accuracy and currency of the training materials and, of course, the records. This is led by compliance within standards and laws, but is often managed by the use of organisational procedures. For example, utilising a specific document management system that tracks changes, archives old versions, and controls access to training materials. These are the procedures for obtaining necessary approvals from regulatory bodies or internal committees or managers before implementing training strategies. For example, there may be a process where all new training programs must be reviewed and approved by a central education committee before being offered. These few examples outline the typical organisational requirements you'll need to be aware of when developing a TAS. Always check with your employer or direct manager for any specific requirements to ensure that your TASs meet the standards of your workplace.